Welcome. Share a comment, like, subscribe. At Ella Lifestyle 1. +9715434611704. What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we are making the perfect French press coffee using a simple technique anyone can do. No fancy equipment needed, just good beans, hot water, and 4 minutes. Here's what you'll need. French press, fresh coffee beans, burr grinder if you have one, hot water, scale or measuring spoons, timer, 30g coffee, 500 milliliters water, medium coarse grind, water temp, 93 to 96 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. For French press, you want a medium coarse grind. Think sea salt, not powdery like espresso. If the grind is too fine, your coffee can taste bitter and sludgy. Coffee grounds into French press. Add 30 grams of coffee to the press. Then pour just enough hot water to saturate all the grounds. This is called the bloom. Fresh coffee releases trapped gas here, which helps extraction and flavor. Give it a gentle stir to make sure all the grounds are evenly soaked. Place the lid on and let the coffee steep for 4 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Too short and it tastes weak. Too long and it gets bitter. And that's it, rich, full-bodied French press coffee. Three quick tips. 1. Always use fresh beans. 2. Clean your French press after every use. 3. Don't leave coffee sitting in the press, pour it out immediately. If this recipe helped, Hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite coffee beans in the comments. See you in the next one.